the river bus, which is the best way to get around London. It's £1.75 and you can see all the cool sights on the way. The Thames River is 2/3 of London's drinking water. Thames. Did I say it right?
Thames?
Thames? What did I say? Thames?
Thames.
Thames River. The Thames River. Double click, your screen pops up, you're gonna hold it near the reader, and that's how you pay to get on the boat. So you have to make sure that you tap in and you tap out. Ride the boat everywhere.
I can't breathe. Oh, you. It feels like an electrical socket.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.